Welcome, this is Chiranjeevi. Today's topic is application of derivatives competitive part which will be useful for Karnataka CET. Part 1, problems from 1 to 10. First problem, the turning values of the function y equal to x cube minus 3 by 2 x square plus 2x plus 5 are. Options are minus 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 1 comma 2 and 0 comma 2. See, here turning points is nothing but we need to differentiate the function and equal to 0, and we need to find the points that are the turning points. So first y equal to x cube by 3 minus 3 by 2 x square plus 2x plus 5. Differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx equal to differentiation of x cube is 3x square divided by 3 will be as it is, minus 3 by 2 into differentiation of x square is 2x, plus differentiation of 2x is 2 and differentiation of a constant is 0. So dy by dx equal to 3 cancels, so it will become x square, 2 cancels, it will become minus 3x plus 2. So which is a quadratic equation, and to find turning values we need to find dy by dx equal to 0. So x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation. Multiplying we need to get 2 and adding we need to get minus 3. So this can be taken as x square minus 2x minus x plus 2 equal to 0. So taking x outside it will be x minus 2. Taking minus 1 outside, so it will be x minus 2 equal to 0. So the values are x equal to 1 and 2. So the option is C. Second one, the turning points of the function y equal to x plus 1 by x are. Options are minus 1 plus 1, 1 minus 2, 0 minus 1, 1, 1 and 2. So given f of x equal to x plus 1 by x, differentiating with respect to x, f dash x equal to differentiation of x is 1 and differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So f dash x equal to 0. So 1 minus 1 by x square equal to 0. So 1 equal to 1 by x square. So x square equal to 1, x equal to plus or minus 1. So the option is A. The point on the curves y equal to 6x minus x square where the tangent is parallel to x axis is. Options 0, 0, 2, 8, 4, 0, 3, 9. So given y equal to 6x minus x square, dy by dx equal to differentiation of 6x is 6 and minus differentiation of x square is 2x. So dy by dx equal to 0. So 6 minus 2x equal to 0. 2x equal to 6 and x equal to 3. So when x equal to 3, the value of y will become 6 into 3 minus 3 square, which is 18 minus 9 equal to 9. So the point is 3, 9. So which is option D. Fourth one, the tangent to a given curve is perpendicular to x-axis is. See here, perpendicular is nothing but slope of the tangent is perpendicular to x-axis, which is parallel to y-axis. So but y-axis slope is infinity. So which is nothing but dx by dy equal to 0. Option C. Fifth one, the tangent to a given curve is parallel to x-axis. Options dy by dx equal to 0, dy by dx equal to 1, dx by dy equal to 0, dx by dy equal to 1. So the slope of tangent is parallel to x-axis. So parallel to x-axis is dy by dx equal to 0, which is option A. Sixth one, the slope of the normal to the curve y equal to 2x square plus 3 sin x at x equal to 0 is. Options 3, minus 3, 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 3. Given y equal to 2x square plus 3 sin x, differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx equal to 2 into differentiation of x square is 2x. So it will become 4x plus 3 into differentiation of sin x is cos x. So at x equal to 0, dy by dx equal to 4 into 0 plus 3 into cos 0. So cos 0 value is 1, so into 3 into 1 is 3. So slope equal to minus 1 by dy by dx equal to minus 1 by 3. Slope of normal is nothing but minus 1 by dy by dx. So which is option D. The total revenue in rupees received from the sale of x units of a product is given by R of x equal to 13x square plus 26x plus 50. The marginal revenue when 7 units are produced. Options 211, 7, 208, 210. Given r of x equal to 13x square plus 26x plus 15, differentiating with respect to x, dr by dx equal to 13 into differentiation of x square is 2x plus 26 into differentiation of x is 1 plus 15 is 0. So dr by dx equal to 26x plus 26 at x equal to 7 will be 26 into 7 plus 26. dr by dx equal to 182 plus 26. dr by dx equal to rupees 208, which is option C. The equation of the tangent to the curve y equal to x cube minus 2x plus 7 at the point 1, 6 is options y equal to x plus 5, x plus y equal to 7, 2x plus y equal to 8, x plus 2y equal to 13. So y equal to x cube minus 2x plus 7, differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx will become 3x square minus 2. So at x equal to 1, dy by dx equal to 3 into 1 square minus 2, which is 3 into 1 square is 3 minus 2 is 1. So equation of tangent y minus 6 equal to 1 into x minus 1, y minus 6 minus x plus 1 equal to 0. So y minus x minus 5 equal to 0. So which is y equal to x plus 5, which is option A. Ninth one, the equation to the normal to the curve y equal to sin x at 0, 0 is options x equal to 0, y equal to 0, x plus y equal to 0, x minus y equal to 0. Given y equal to sin x, differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is cos x. At x equal to 0, dy by dx equal to cos 0 equal to 1. So equation of normal will be y minus 0 equal to minus 1 by 1 into x minus 0. Equation of normal formula is y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by dy by dx into x minus x1. Substituting x1, y1 and dy by dx. So y equal to minus x. So y plus x equal to 0 or x plus y equal to 0, which is option C. 10th one, a stone is thrown up vertically and the height x feet reached by it in the time t seconds is given by x equal to 80t minus 16t square. The stone reaches the maximum height in time. Options 2 seconds, 2.5 seconds, 3 seconds, 3.5 seconds. Given x equal to 80t minus 16t square, differentiating with respect to t, dx by dt equal to differentiation of 80t is 80 minus 16 into differentiation of t square is 2t. So it will become 32t. So dx by dt equal to 0, 80 minus 32t equal to 0. So t equal to 80 by 32, which is 2.5 second. Option B. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Yours Chiranjeevi.